Mga dudettes, it's been a while since our last upload. Hi! It's good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. This is another segment of Another Day, Another Gastos. Okay? So what we're going to feature right now is hindi tungkol sa motor, hindi piyesa ng motor. Ito yung isa sa mga hobbies natin. And na-acquire natin to during our trip in Singapore. Actually, it's an exclusive item. So yun, so mga nagpa-follow sa atin, no, siguro pansin nyo naman na we featured before yung helmet natin from HJC na Minions. So, hindi halata na favorite natin yung character ng Minions, no. So, ito na-acquire natin or nabili natin sa Universal Studios. It's an exclusive. And here it is. Yeah! Taran! This is an exclusive product, Universal Studios Singapore. So meaning, doon mo lang siya mabibili. And since favorite natin to, nakita natin, binili natin to. And chinaga natin itong iuwi by hand carry. So pwede naman siya i-hand carry. Let's start unboxing. Okay, let's get our trusted pangbukas.
Yeah, unbox natin. So, yun mga gusto ko kasi nga, this is one of the hobbies of yours truly. Ang pangangolekta ng mga, actually I have different types of collections. And I'll feature them. So yan, makikita nyo dyan, nakalagay dyan is win a lucky prize. So let's see. So again, this is a Minion. It's a vinyl figure. And I believe this is to work as well, katulad ng ating helmet. So let's see. Hindi mahirap. Okay. Yan. Ayaw ah. Pinahirapan tayo ah. Anyways. Our figure here is titled Super Silly Space Killer. Ayun na, malapit na. There we go. Yan. Super Silly Space Killer. So set aside natin. So very premium yung packaging. Very, very safe. It's packaged safely. Yan siya. Yan. And here. Yan siya. Yan na siya. Okay, let's pull it out. Naka-plastic.
Wow! Wow, wow, wow. Wow! So if you're a fan or napanood nyo yung series ng Minions, so yan, no? Diba? The unicorn. Ayan na, wala na. O sabi, there's a prize, win a prize, maybe. I don't know. But this is the item we're ating binili. Ganda! Ganda! Grabe. Haha. Nakatuwa. Ganda nyo. Chiding! And how much is this? It's around 220 SGD. So, convert nyo na lang mga dudes, mga dudes. This is the actual size. Hindi naman siya nakadikit talaga. Protection din siya. So, we'll just put it back. Ang ganda. The details. Yan. So, yan siya. Ganyan siya kalaki. So, tabi natin yung helmet natin para makita natin yung comparison of the size. Yan. O, di ba? This is Stuart. Yan. Ito yung illuminations Minions sa HJC helmet natin. Believe this is a C10. Ay, V10. Sorry, V10. Yan. 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 Isang mata. Isang mata. Sila yan. Yan. And another haul or isa sa mga nabili natin sa Universal Studios. So just get it. Popcorn bucket na character. It's also a Minion. Ito siya. Oh, di ba? Yan. At the back, open that. Diyan nila nilalagay yung popcorn. So, pwedeng pag binili mo siya, palagay mo yung popcorn dito sa loob. Or para malinis at hindi siya madumihan, pwedeng naka-separate na lalagyan. And ang kagandahan nito, yan, gumagalaw yung mata niya. And meron din pala siya, wait, may sound din siya. Ayan. Banana! Ayan. May iba-iba siyang O, di ba? Ayan. So, yan. Ayan. So, yan. Off lang natin. So, these are the Minion collectibles na nabili natin sa Universal Studios Singapore. So, mga dudes and mga dudes, these are the toys or collectibles na nabili natin sa Universal Studios Singapore. Again, Dudong Driver Moto here. Peace out!